Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew here, and for today's video I wanted to do something a little bit different. You guys have probably already guessed, based on my descriptions in my videos, that I use iMovie as my main video editing software. But you never really see me do a behind the scenes look on what goes into making a YouTube video with iMovie that I happen to use. So and you can also consider this not only a step-by-step process on how it works for me, but you can also consider it a bit of a sneak peek at my upcoming video after this one, which is the Sangean MMR 88 AM FM weather radio. So without further ado, let me show you behind the scenes on how I make my videos using iMovie. So one of the first things that I happen to do to get ready to set up editing a video is that I log into my YouTube account, which I already have. The next thing I do after I'm done shooting my video on my camera is that I take the SD card inside the camera and insert it into the SD card slot of my MacBook Pro right here, which I'm going to be using as my video editing machine and work computer from now on. Once the SD card's in, it'll say Canon 1 or something as the name of my SD card, and that I click on it, and then I select whatever pictures or videos that are on the SD card and upload it onto my Photos app on my MacBook Pro. And now we're about to finally edit the video. So the first thing you want to do, like I do, is open iMovie, which I already have. Then you go to Create New, then select Create Movie, not Create a Trailer, but Create Movie. The next thing you're going to want to do is to go to your Photos library from your, of course, Photos app, and then choose whatever pictures or videos you want included in your video. For my upcoming video, I want to go to Course Videos. No, sorry, it's kind of hard doing this while holding the camera in one hand and using my other hand for the computer. Then what you're going to want to do is scroll down, and you'll find the videos that you want to work on, which are these two that I have right here. But before putting my main videos into the video that I'm going to be editing, I want to add in a few effects. The first of which is selecting a background I want to use for the intro of my video. iMovie has plenty of backgrounds for you to use to edit your videos with, and one of them I'm going to use is the industrial background. The next thing I do is to select a title for the video that I'm editing. iMovie has lots of various title themes, but the one I'm going to use is the line theme, right there. As you can see right here, I already have the title of the video set up. It is for the Sangean MMR 88 AM FM weather band radio. The next thing I want to do is to add a sound effect for the intro of my video. And since my upcoming video is going to be a radio review video, I think it's only fitting that I choose a sound based on tuning into a certain frequency on whichever radio you're listening onto. So for this video, I'm going to choose Radio Tuning 01 from my audio sound effects library, which I already did. And for the intro itself, I have the title, the background, and the sound all mixed together. And this is what it sounds and looks like. And now it's time to move on to the main videos that I'm going to be editing. So in between my opening intro for the video, as well as the start of the video itself, I put in here in between a transition, which there are several to choose from in iMovie, but the one I used right here is fade to white. For example, fade to white from the intro onto the video right here. For this next part, whenever there's a part of the video that I don't want included if it's just like me not talking and me doing something that's not like kind of that important, what I do is that I take a piece of the video right here, I go to modify, and I split the clip from one end of a video to another end. And once I'm done with that, I take out this part of the video right here. Well, let me show you, for example, what happens here. Let me demonstrate. So I take one part of the video that's like a couple seconds long, like so. And see what I did there? There was like a bit of a couple seconds of delay as to what I was going to be speaking about next, about the radio. So I have this part right here, which is like a 2.4 seconds long that I don't need. So what I do is when I split the clip, take out a piece of the video that I don't want, I can either like, well, I can just delete it by pressing delete right here, like so. Here's a clip that I'm already about to take out as well, so it's about like another 2 seconds long, so I'm just gonna delete that out of the video I'm editing. So one more example right here is for me to edit out a part of the video that's 8 seconds long, and again, it's not really necessary. So watch this. Right here. So you pretty much get the idea by this point. Any unnecessary parts that I find that don't need to be in the video, I trim them and edit them out of the final video. So I finally come down to the point where I'm almost done editing the video, and I like to include at this point an ending title card, which is this right here, says simply "Thanks for watching." And I choose the industrial background like I did for the opening intro to my video, only this time I choose a different title style, which is like the center. So after I'm done editing the video, for the most part, what I do next is upload it to YouTube. And the way I do it is by this first step. First, I click on these three dots right here next to the video I finished editing. Then I go to Share Project, and then I choose File. What that's going to do is bring up the screen right here, and I'll worry about editing the description when I'm about to upload it to YouTube. Right here I click Next. And there's the title of my video that I made, and I'm saving it onto the movie section of my Finder desktop application, where I keep like all my files on my computer. So I just go ahead and click Save. And this little circle right here is the progress indicator, where it shows like how much of my video has been uploaded and how long it'll be before it's fully uploaded into my desktop files. So for the most part, I've got my video edited and about ready to upload to YouTube, but there's like one or two more things that I want to do, or rather one more thing that I want to take care of before fully uploading it, and that's to create a thumbnail for the video that you see before you actually like watch the video on YouTube. So use whatever editing software works for you, but for me, I like to use Keynote to edit my thumbnails with. So the next thing I do after opening Keynote is that I go onto the Google website, go to images or whatever, and then I select some images to use for my thumbnail for the video that I'm about to upload to my channel. And since this is a Sangean radio review, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this picture right here, the Sangean logo, and add it onto my thumbnail for Keynote. So I'm just going to click and drag on the image like so. Sorry. Drag and drag on the image like so onto Keynote. And there's one of a couple of pictures that I'm going to be using for my thumbnail to edit on Keynote with. So after I added a couple of those images from Google in with like the Sangean logo and the MMR88 radio itself, I go to text and type in the title of my video here, which is of course MMR88 AM FM weather band radio review. And when I'm done editing my thumbnail in Keynote, I go to export to from file, then go to images, and export your presentation, selecting the format as JPEG high quality, clicking next, and then I just add in the name of like the thumbnail that I'm about to upload to document section, or excuse me, the document section of my Finder desktop file section, whatever, and just click on export. So I think you pretty much get the gist of it on how I edit my YouTube videos and my thumbnails for the videos. I don't think I need to show you any more from here. After I'm done uploading the file for the video for YouTube, I go onto YouTube and then I select upload video and just edit out the description of the video, as well as select the thumbnail for it and some tags and whatnot. So I think that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how I make my YouTube videos for iMovie, and I hope you will also hope you found it informative. If you did, please click the like button. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and that's about it. And also be sure to stay tuned for my next video on the Sangean MMR88 AM FM weather band radio. Hope you'll like it when it comes out, and again, that's pretty much it. How many times do I have to keep saying that? I don't know. Anyway, take care of yourselves, have a good day, and I'll see you all next time. Bang.